Earth, a beautiful planet of the universe, which is blue in color. The bluish color is due to the presence of water body in the earth, which is called ocean. Ocean is a body of water that composes much of a planet's hydrosphere. About 97% of Earth's water contains in ocean. World ocean is divided into 5 major parts, the 5 oceans. They are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. Some important facts. Saline seawater covers approximately 361 million square kilometers, which is approximately 71% of Earth's surface, and the total volume is approximately 1.35 billion cubic kilometers. The average depth of the oceans is nearly 3,700 meters, and its maximum depth is 10,994 meters at the Mariana Trench. Less than 3% is freshwater and the rest is saltwater. That is almost all of which is in the ocean. The world ocean is the habitat of 230,000 known species. But because much of it is unexplored, the number of species that exist in the ocean is much larger, possibly over 2 million. Pacific Ocean separates Asia and Australia from the Americas. It has the coastline of 1,35,663 kilometers. Atlantic Ocean separates the Americas from Europe and Africa, which has coastline of 1,11,866 kilometers. Indian Ocean borders Southern Asia and separates Africa and Australia, which has coastline of 66,526 kilometers. Southern Ocean encircles Antarctica, sometimes considered an extension of the Pacific, Atlantic, and Indian Oceans, which has coastline of 17,968 kilometers. Arctic Ocean borders northern North America and Eurasia and covers much of the Arctic, which has the coastline of 45,389 kilometers. Ocean is divided into different vertical zones. One is Fortic zone and another is Ephotic zone. The Fortic zone includes the oceans from the surface to the depth of 200 meters. It is the region where photosynthesis can occur and is therefore the most biodiverse. Depths exceeding 200 meters is known as Ephotic zone. Ephotic zone are further divided into vertical regions according to temperature. One is Mesopelagic, two is Bathypelagic, three is Abyssopelagic, and fourth one is Hadal-pelagic. The Mesopelagic is the uppermost region at about 12 degrees centigrade, which is in the tropic, generally lies at 700 to 1000 meters. Next is the Bathypelagic, lying between 10 and 4 degrees centigrade, typically between 2000 to 4000 meters. Abyssopelagic, whose lower boundary lies at about 6000 meters, which lies between 4,000 to 6,000 meters. The last zone includes the deep oceanic trench and is known as the Hadal Pelagic. This lies between 6,000 to 11,000 meters and is the deepest oceanic zone. Oceanic water in polar regions have lower salinity content than oceanic waters in temperate and tropical regions. Many of the world's goods are moved by ship between the world's seaports. Oceans are also the major supply source for the fishing industries. Some of the major harvests are shrimp, fish, crabs, and lobster. Rest in the next video. Thank you.